Hi friends, வாங்க வாங்க Penang family channelக்கு வாங்க. This video is about how we prepare food for the week as both of us are working till late every day. இப்போ நானும் வேலை செய்ய ஆரம்பிச்சிட்டேன் friends. So நம்ம plan பண்ணிட்டு நானும் ஹஸ்பண்டும் will make sure we sit and plan what we're going to cook for the week. So ஒரு மெனு போட்டுட்டு then we will go and buy everything from the market, usually Saturday morning, and then Sunday evening we will start cooking. So husband and myself will make sure we cut everything, prepare enough, since we already made the plan, the menu, what we are going to cook. So we know what to cut, எல்லாம் cut பண்ணிட்டு எல்லாம் ரெடி பண்ணிட்டு he will be in charge of cutting the vegetables and onions and everything. I will make sure I clean all the chicken, fish, then I'll marinate the chicken, then we start cooking. So actually it will take us about 2 hours usually. So we will cook for 5 days because Fridays is a day that we don't cook, and we will eat outside. For dinner we will go out, we take the children and make sure we go out for dinner on Friday evenings. So as you can see friends, one pot I'm making the chicken curry, the other pot making the vegetarian brinjal curry, and I already marinated the chicken for the chicken butter masala, and now I'll fry, and then now I'm doing the base. So it's easy if we plan. Usually not me, husband தான் plan பண்ணுவார் என்ன சமைக்கலான்ட்டுன்னு. So and then he gives the varam menu is we're making rasam, vegetarian. So Tuesdays we'll make sure we are vegetarian. So just teaching the children to be vegetarian. So once a week usually we'll be vegetarian, and then for the Tuesday we're making a vegetable curry, and yes, I only we will make the curry and the main item. So once he comes back from work, he will make the vegetable for the day. So it will be only one dish cooking. So adanal parachana illa. So now I already fry the anchovies. So this is the gravy. So this is called sambal in Malaysia, friends. Actually I am explaining this because I see most of our viewers are from India. Thank you so much viewers from India. So this is what we call sambal in Malaysia. So ikan bilis nu சொல்லுவோம். So இதுதான் நெத்திலி, இங்கே வந்து இக்கான் பிளிஸ்னு சொல்லுவோம். ஸோ இந்த நெத்திலி சம்பால் செஞ்சுட்டு இப்போது வந்து அந்த பட்டர் சிக்கன் மசாலாவோட பேஸ் ஐம் கோயிங் டு blend. So make into a puree. So I waited it to become cold. We cannot blend when it's hot. So okay, now blend பண்ணியாச்சு. The color will be like this for chicken butter masala. And also friends, you can always go and check our other videos that we have all the recipes that are usually Malaysians cooking recipes and our family traditional cooking. You can check. So this video is just to show that in one day we are preparing the meal for the week. So once usually today is actually Sunday. This week நம்ம Sunday சமையல் செஞ்சோம். So now I can see I went to the market. So இன்னைக்கு afternoon market போயிட்டு, then it's now about 4 o'clock ஆயிடுச்சு. So we started about 4:30 like that.
Weekend. Never mind. What do you think for dinner? இது என்ன ஸ்டைல்மா பார்த்ததுல?
There's some mistakes in the video. Repeating. Sorry friends, இதுதான் நெத்திலி முதல்ல நான் செஞ்சது. இந்த வீடியோ எடிட்டிங்கில் some mistakes are there. So So as I was saying just now, so it's already evening, so usually about 2 hours time you can finish the cooking. So I'm also making this vindika poriyal for tomorrow. We won't make vegetable and keep for the week because vegetables no, we don't keep. So அப்பப்பயே சமைச்சு சாப்பிட்றோம். Okay, now friends, I'm making the base for the pizza. It's Sunday night, so I'm making dinner. We are making pizza. So இதுதான் அந்த pizza base. My pizza recipe, friends, I make sure I cook all the base first, onion, capsicum or whatever items that we are going to use. Again there's a repetition, so sorry friends. So since I have a bread maker, although it's very old, ancient, but still it's working condition, so it's very very helpful. So even the pizza base I make it in the house. So prepare the base, friends. So I'm making two because my friend is coming today. So there will be 2 big pizza for the dinner. So it's a hand toast pizza. So usual after cooking there will be a massive cleaning as well. You can see my stove all, it's full of curry. So while waiting for the dough to rise a little, so I let the dough to rise a little. So now I'm applying the pizza sauce. Okay, I didn't make my sauce today because I just used Prego sauce is okay. We like the Prego sauce taste. It looks like the topping is not enough, but somehow I managed to just make it into 2 lots.
Okay.
There's no pizza without cheese, so plenty of cheese there.
GoPro.
Some helping hand here because it's already getting late now. It's already late. So after shower everything is done. So friends, that's all for today. So now I'm soaking the rice and the ulundu for next day. I'm going to make dosai and also